Okay, so hello everyone. Am I audible? Kindly give a thumbs up if you can hear my voice. Okay, so can you see my screen? Okay, kindly give a heart reaction if you can see my screen. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, how about this word that I have written in our presentation? Can you read this or can you see it? Okay, so kindly comment if ano tong sinulat ko sa ating presentation. Okay, ulitin ko, baka hindi nyo mabasa. So, ayan. Okay, so mabuti naman, no? Okay, so ayan, good morning everyone. How are you? Okay, are you ready? So, take note ha, that this learning session is recorded. So, are you ready? Okay, I hope you have your handouts with you, your notebook, excuse me, your pen, and as well as your cycle, no? Para makasunod kayo in our lesson this morning. Okay? So, before that, let's have a prayer. Can I request Miss Anne to lead us in our prayer for this morning? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, thank you, Miss Anne. Okay, so before that, let me check our attendance. So, kindly state your number, no? And show yourself or open your camera so that I can see that you're really there and that you are ready, no? Sa makinig sa ating lesson ngayon. Okay? So, let's have a roll call. So, where's 1? Okay, thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, mabuti naman kasi walang absent ngayon. Okay, so, ayan. Ready na bang lahat for our discussion this morning? Okay, very good. So, before we proceed no, to our new topic, so, syempre, we need to have a recall of what we have discussed last meeting para malaman ko kung meron pa bang naiwan dyan sa inyong mga brain ba, yan? Or meron pa kayong maalala sa ano yung mga topic na na-discuss natin last time. So, I have here different question or different expression that you need to express in decimal. Okay? Kasi importante to siya, no? Lalo na related to siya in our topic for this morning. So, paano siya naging related? So, later on we will find out. So, express the following as decimal. So, I believe you know, no? You know how to convert the following person sign into decimal, so on and so forth. Okay? So, number 1, we have 12%. So, if you would like to answer, please use our raise hand button so that I can recognize you. Yes, Miss? Okay. So, kindly open your mic if you can open your mic so that you can state your answer, or if hindi naman kaya, you can use our comment box, no? Or itong comment section natin dito para dyan na isulat yung mga sagutin niya. Okay. So, your answer is 0.12. Is that correct? So, if you agree with your answer, kindly give a heart reaction if you agree that 12% can be expressed as 0.12 in decimal. Okay, so tama nga naman, no? Na 12% is 0.12 if we convert that or if we express that in decimal. So, thank you. So, kindly give her a round of applause. Okay, thank you for that. Now, let's proceed. So, ayun, no? Express na natin yung following as decimal, okay? Okay, number 2, we have 10.5%. So, paano to siya? What is its decimal form? Okay? Mr. Yup? Okay. Sabi mo? Okay, very good. So, that is? So, paano ba? How can we convert this? So, you can share? Paano mo to na-convert? Or paano mo nasabi na this is 0.105, Mr. Yap? Okay, so from the decimal point, we will move to decimal places, or we will jump 2 steps going to the left. Okay, very good. So this is 0.105. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Yap. Okay, how about number 3? We have 300%. So, ano ito siya? In decimal. Excuse me for that. Okay, so Mr. Alas, ano to siya in decimal? Okay, very good. This is 0.300, or we can omit, no, writing this 0 here. So, we can express that as 0.3. Tama ba? Tama ba siya? Sobraan siya. Okay, nasobrahan. So, 2 decimal place lang, or 2 steps lang. So, dapat this is 3. Okay, so this is 3.0, or simply 3. Okay? Sige, thank you, Mr. Alas. Sige, how about number 4? 8.5%. Yes, Taneo. Okay, so how can we do this? Yes, your answer is 8.5%. Tama ba siya? Do you agree with this answer? 8.5%, or in decimal, this is 8.5? Sige, anyone? Thank you, Mr. Taneo. Sige, anyone? I can clarify. How can we express this in decimal? Okay, very good. First is we need to convert itong fraction in decimal. So, ano ba sa decimal itong fraction natin? So, that is 0.5, diba? And then, i-add na natin yung 8 natin. So, this will be 8.5%. Or, in decimal, this is 0.085. Very good. Okay. Naintindihan ba? Any question from this item? Okay. None so far. Let's proceed to number 5. How about this last item natin? We have 0.5%. Okay. Tomas? Yes, Mr. Tomas? Okay. Tama. So, tama ba siya? Okay, so this is, so 2 decimal place, or 2 steps going to the left. So, this is 0.005. Okay, so congratulations everyone, and thank you for participating, no, in this our simple activity. So, na-recall na ba how can we express the following as decimal or decimal to percent? Okay. Any questions so far for this? So, para makaproceed tayo, no? Okay, so give yourself a round of applause. So, take note ha. Kailangan, in this concept, you know how to express the following as decimal. Kasi magagamit natin yan siya later on in our new topic. Okay? Sige. So, with that, no? So, we have here another activity. So, let's explore. Ma'am, an activity naman. Yes, no? Kasi we need to engage, no? We need to have a student-centered na klase. Okay? Sige. Ano pang gagawin natin dito? So, we have here a situation. Anyone who can read our problem here, our situation? Okay, yes, Jao? Are you there, Jao? Okay. So, kindly open your mic and read our scenario here. Okay. Thank you, thank you, Jao. Okay. So, sino ba sa inyo dito na meron ng TV sa bahay? Kindly give a heart reaction if meron ng TV sa bahay. Okay, halos lahat naman, no? Okay, so sino naman dito yung merong desire na bumili ng bagong TV or magkaroon ng sariling TV sa kanilang mga kwarto? Kindly give a thumbs up reaction. Okay, only few students, no? So sabi dito, no, how can your family have the desired television if you don't have enough savings to pay for it? So how can we do that? Or how can they do that? Paano nila gawin yun? Okay, may nag-comment dito, no? Mag-utang, ma'am. Utang. So, kadalasan yun ginagawa nating mga Pinoy kapag nagigipit tayo or nakukulangan tayo sa budget ng pera, no? yung last resort natin is to mag-utang. Pero dapat, no, responsible tayo sa pagbayad naman ng ating mga utang. So, utang. Tama naman yun, no? Meron mga concept na ganon. Hindi talaga mawala, no? Na mag-utang tayo. So, dyan papasok, no? Yung mga tinatawag natin na mga credit card companies. Are you familiar? Yung mga home credit. No? Yung bill is one hand. So, yun, no? So, marami, no? Maraming mga nagsusuportan ngayon ng mga credit card companies. So, the question is, how do credit card companies make money from their services? Paano ba sila kumikita? Do you know? Paano? Okay, meron nag-comment dito na, ma'am, merong patong o merong dagdag. Okay, tama yun, no? Merong dagdag, no? Ma'am, merong 0% daw na interest, pero pag i-compute mo, meron pa rin. Tama din naman yun, 0% interest. Okay, interest. Interesting. So, another question, how do banks, credit cooperatives, or appliances centers make money from their client? So, you know, related naman siya sa number 1. So, paano ba sila mag-make money from their client? Okay? Okay. So, since this topic is all about money, no? So, I believe, interested kayo dito. Sino ba naman hindi interesado if we talk about money, no? Lalo na if you want to become an entrepreneur or if you want to have your own business, paano ka kikita, right? So, dyan papasok yung ating new topic for this morning, which is simple interest. So, before that, let me present to you our learning objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to, anyone, please read the first objective natin. Okay. Alas. Mabawi sa alas. Okay. Fine. Okay, thank you. How about number 2? Yes, Mo. Okay, thank you. And number 3? And number 4? Yes, RG. Okay, thank you. No? So, first is we need to define simple interest. Then derive the formula. Differentiate what is the difference between exact and ordinary interest. And then, since this is math, this is business math, hindi mawawala, no? Yung pag-solve natin ng mga problems, no? So, in this case, this is about simple interest. So, what is simple interest ba? Are you familiar with this term? Hindi yung interest na yung meron kang interest sa isang person, ha? Yung meron kang, you like the person, okay? Iba yun. Sige. Grabing heart react nila, at saka yung laughing react nila, basta love, Sige. So, here the concept check, no, that we need to understand. So, we have here first the interest. So, interest is the amount paid by a borrower to a lender for the use of money over a period of time. So, meron nabanggit dito na amount paid by a borrower to a lender. So, kumbaga, in layman's term, sabi dito, yung money that you pay, no? Yung specific amount that you will pay sa kung saan ka nag-utang. Okay? While simple interest naman is the fixed percentage of the total amount invested paid to an investor each year for a total duration the money is invested. So, fixed percentage. Okay, so percentage. Are you familiar with the term percentage? So, previously, no, in our mga previous na lesson, we have talked about the rate, base, and the percentage, right? And to solve for percentage, we have the formula, the rate times the base. And itong si rate natin is we need to convert that in decimal. So here, the simple interest is the fixed percentage. Mean to say, ano yung porsyento, no, ng base natin na maaaring ibabayad daw sa ating investor each year. Okay? So, meron siyang total duration. Okay? Meron siyang specific time. Okay? So, syempre, if mag-uutang ka, And then, meron ka task na babayaran mo yan siya within this specific time. So, merong total duration dito. Iba siya dito sa pag-solve ng rate-based percentage, okay? So, dito sa simple interest, kasali dyan yung total duration. Okay? So, meaning to say, the simple interest is the amount na madadagdag, no? Or yung tubo, kumbaga, na ibabayad mo sa inutangan mo or sa kung saan ka nag-invest. Yun yung balik sa iyo. Klaro ba? Any question? Okay, shall we proceed? Sige. So, we have here the formula on how we can solve the simple interest. So, we have here I is equal to PRT. So, ano ibig sabihin ng mga letters na ito? Yung I natin dyan, no, is our simple interest, while yung P naman natin is the principal amount invested or borrowed. So, meaning to say, yung P natin dito, if we relate this to our previous topic, yan yung base. Okay? Yan yung total amount or yung principal amount na inutang mo or ininvest mo. Okay? Yung R naman is the annual rate of interest. Usually, it has percent sign. Take note, ha? R is the annual rate of interest. And take note then that R, it should be expressed in decimal. So that's why we have the activity earlier, no? To convert or to express different percent form in decimal form. So take note, ha? In this formula on how we can solve for the simple interest is we need to convert or express the rate or the annual rate of interest in decimal. And lastly, we have here the T or term or time frame in years. Take note, yung T natin is the time frame and ang unit niya is dapat in years. Klaro? So, yan siya. Simple lang siya. So, that's why simple interest. Kasi simple lang yung formula niya. Okay? So, yan, no? So, simple interest, I is equal to PRT. Pret. No? Pret. Sige. Walay ka man, ma'am. Sige. So, variance of the formula. So, actually, no? With this given na formula, we can derive them. Okay? We can derive or we can make use of the formula to solve for the other missing term or unknown na mga object natin or unknown sa ating problem, no? So, what if ang unknown natin is the rate or yung R? So, ano nga yung formula ng simple interest natin? Anyone? Any comment down sa ating comment section? Okay, thank you, Miss Alexa. Tama, no? Na to solve for the simple interest is we have I is equal to PRT. Okay, sorry. Bakit parang slanting? I is equal to PRT. Nasabi dito, what if R yung missing? So, with that, if R yung missing natin, take note, ha, nandito yung R natin. To derive the formula, kailangan i-isolate natin siya. So, dapat nasa one side of the equation lang siya natin. So, sino yung makatabi ni R dyan? We have the P at saka T. Tama. Now, how can we remove si P at saka T dito para maiwan lang si R dyan? Okay, we just simply divide both sides by PT. Kung nag-divide tayo dito ng PT, mag-divide din tayo ng PT dito. So, dito, ma-eliminate si P at saka ma-eliminate si T. That's why ang maiwan na lang ay si R. So, meaning to say, to solve for the rate, we have this derived formula which is R is equal to interest divided by principal times time. Okay? Klaro ba? Sige. How about if T naman yung unknown? Sige, balik tayo dito sa formula natin ng interest. We have I is equal to P or T. C naman yung unknown. So, we need to isolate C in one side of our equation. So, sino yung makatabi ni C? P at saka R. So, anong gawin natin para ma-isolate natin si T? Okay, we need to divide both sides by PR. So, if the time is unknown, we can have this formula, T is equal to I over PR. Okay? Now, lastly, how about principal naman yung unknown? Sige, anyone would like to try? Okay. Tanayo? Okay, tama, no? So, the derivation of our formula, if principal yung unknown, is we have this formula, P is equal to I over RT. Okay? So, take note lang. Always remember to solve for the simple interest is we have I is equal to principal times rate times time. Makukuha natin itong rate, time, at saka P kung sila yung mga unknown just by deriving our formula. Okay? Sige. So, another one, no? We have two types of simple interest. Sige, before we proceed, any question here? Okay, sige. So, we have here the two types of simple interest. We have the exact interest. Okay, so sabi dito. So, take note, if we talk about exact interest, that is denoted by the symbol na I sub E. Okay? So, exact interest is a type of simple interest computed based on 365 days, that is the exact number of days in a year. So, kapag hindi leap year, ilang days ba yung exact number of days in a year? So, that is 365. So, that's why we have here the exact interest. So, bakit meron ganito? Kasi there are tendency, no, babayaran mo lang yung utang mo with a span of, let's say, 100 days. No? Or 20 days. Or after 14 days. So, that's why we have this exact interest. So, here, we have the formula for the exact interest. P, principal, rate, times. Yung time natin dito, no, is napalitan lang ng, so actually itong days, divided by 365, is yung time natin. Kung ano yung given na days sa problem natin, i-substitute na natin dito, and tsaka i-divide natin siya sa 365. Okay? So, yan siya. Klaro ba? Now, ordinary interest naman, take note, this is denoted by I sub O. So, it is a type of interest computed based on 360 days, that is assuming each month in a year has 30 days. So, ordinary or approximate time na tigta 30 days lang daw yung each month in a year. So, that's why meron 360 days para dito. Okay? The same pa rin yung formula niya to solve for our simple interest here. But, yung days lang, okay, ang nagbago. 360 para dito. Klaro ba? Kapag exact interest, ilang days yon? 365. Kapag ordinary interest, ilang days? Meron sa isang year? Okay, that is 360 days. Sige, any question? Ma'am, marami na masyadong formula, ma'am. Actually, tatlo lang, no? Tatlo pa lang. We have the simple interest na I is equal to PRT. And then we have the exact interest and the ordinary interest. Sige, any question? Ma'am, how can we know if si simple interest na ito yung formula na gagamitan namin? Or how can we know if si exact interest ang gagamitin namin na formula? Or how can we know if ordinary interest yung gagamitin namin na formula? So, hindi naman parang kulang sa information yung problem natin, no? Para hindi natin yung masagutan. Na-state naman talaga yun siya or nasasabi naman talaga yun sa problem if what type of interest yung kailangan mong i-compute. Is either exact interest or ordinary interest. Okay? Don't worry, no? Sige. So, with that, let's have this example. Okay? Sige. We have here the given. You have the P. Ano yung P natin? Okay, the principal. It is the amount that you invested or borrow. How about yung R? Okay, that is the rate. And then the C naman is the time. Ano yung unit natin kapag C natin or time natin? Okay, years. Very good. So, we have here the P, principal, 18,500. We have the rate na 3%. And take note, kailangan natin siyang i-express in decimal. So, this is 0.03. And then, yung C naman natin, your time natin is 5. So, find the simple interest. Sige. So, here's the solution. So, we need to use the formula ng simple interest na I is equal to PRT. So, meron naman tayong given dito na PRT. Syempre, i-substitute natin yung given na formula na yan or given na yan sa ating formula. So, we have here, I is equal to 18,500 times 0.03 times 5. Claro? Okay. Now, performing the operation. So, anong operation ginamit dito? Okay, that is simply multiplication. 18,500 times 0.03 times 5, that will give us 2,775 pesos. So, therefore, the simple interest is 2,775 pesos. Klaro? Nasundan ba? Sige. Kindly give a heart reaction if naintindihan yung example 1 natin. Okay. Thank you for that. So, shall we proceed? Sige. Let's proceed sa example number 2 natin. So, bigyan natin naman sa example, no? Maraming example para mas maintindihan ninyo. Okay? So, we have here given principal 20,000 pesos, the interest na 4,000 pesos, and the time na 4. Now, find the rate. Sige. So, ano nga yung formula for the simple interest? We have the I is equal to PRT. And since rate yung hinahanap, i-derive lang natin to siya, no? So, anong derived form niya? So, ang derived formula niya is R is equal to I over PT. Okay? Now, with that, substitute the given to the formula. So, we have 4,000 divided by 20,000 times 4. And then, performing the operations, this will give us 0.05. Is that the final answer? No. Kailangan pa natin siyang express in percent. So, 0.05 in percent is 5%. Okay? So, therefore, the rate of interest is 5%. Klaro? So, kapag rate ang ating unknown, i-express muna natin yung answer natin in percent. Okay? Kasi, diba, sa mga problem, ang given na rate is in percent form. So, that's why, kapag rate naman yung hinahanap, dapat naka-express siya in percent. Okay? Sige. Example 3. We have the given 40,000 pesos, the principal, the interest na 700 pesos, and the rate na 7%. Now, find time. Okay. Who would like to tell me ano yung formula na maaari natin gamitin dito if time yung unknown? Oh, grabe, RG. O, sige. Yes, RG. Tama ba siya? Okay. So, we can use the formula, no, in finding the time, which is T is equal to I over PR. Very good. Thank you, RG. Now, anong next? Okay, we need to substitute yung mag-given natin sa ating formula. So, we have here 700 divided by 40,000. So, sorry, nakulangan ng 0. 40,000 times 0.07. And if we express or perform the operations, this will give us 0.25. Ma'am, 0.25 years. Tama ba? Yes. No need na, no, to convert this in any form. Pwede naman na 0.25 years. Or kapag in fraction siya, that is 1/4 years. So, 1/4. Ano ba yung 1/4? Ilang months ba kapag 1/4 ng year? Okay, that is 3 months. Okay? So, kailangan na-express yung answer natin in a unit of time. So, therefore, the term or time in years is 1/4 year or 3 months. Okay? So, ayan, kapag ang rate natin yung unknown, express natin siya in percent. Kapag time nyo naman yung unknown, express natin yung answer natin as unit of time. It's either year or in months. Okay? Sige. Now, let's proceed. Any question? Sige. Let's proceed to problem number 4, example number 4. Okay, anyone who can read our problem? Yes, Anika? Okay, thank you, Miss Anika. Sige. So, in answering word problem, ano ba yung first na kailangan natin gawin? Solve agad. Okay, we need to understand our problem. So, ano yung naintindihan natin? Okay, how much daw yung interest, no, na ma-earn ni Mary? So, yan yung tanong. How much interest? So, meaning to say, I, yung unknown natin dito. Now, after natin ma-identify what is asked in the problem, what's next? What's the next thing that we need to do? Solve agad? Hindi pa. We need to identify yung mag-given natin. Now, ano ba yung mag-given natin dito? So, we have here the principal na 12,400. Yan yung amount na in-invest niya. So, principal is the amount borrowed or the amount invested. Take note ha? Yun siya. So, here in this problem, the principal is 12,400. Well, ano pa? What's the other given? Okay, we have the 6%. So, what is 6%? Okay, that is the rate, no? So, our rate here is 6%. And the another given is time, not 13 months. Wait. No. Wait. Okay. Ma'am, months man ang unit natin dyan. Diba sabi na kapag mag-solve tayo ng simple interest, dapat in years siya? Okay, so, if 13 months or if months is the given time in our problem, all we need to do is to convert that in years. But how? Okay, here's how, no? We know, okay, that in 1 year, we have 12 months. Okay? Sige. Saan ba sa dalawa yung mas bigger yung value? Yung year ba or months? Okay. So, kung months yung mas maliit or yung year yung mas bigger, ano yung equivalent ng year in months? I-divide natin siya, no, sa ating given na time sa problem. So, here, we have 13 months times 1 year is to over 12 months. So, si months natin na unit dito is ma-cancel. Okay? Ang maiwan na unit is years. So, we have here 13 over 12 years, or that is 1.083 years. Actually, no, 1.083333 yan siya. Continuous yan siya. Now, take note. Okay, take note. If we answer or if we solve this kind of problem wherein merong continuous na decimal, as much as possible, dapat lahat ng mga decimals is mai-input natin sa ating cycle. Kasi kung hindi accurate yung makukuha natin na sagot. Klaro? Kailangan, kapag i-input natin sa cycle, yung itong mga nakadecimal, dapat lahat ng mga decimals niya is na-input natin para accurate yung makuha. Pero kapag isusulat na natin, no, like this one in our formula, pwedeng 3 decimal place lang siya or 2 decimal place. Okay? Nasundan ba? Is that clear? Sige. Now, here's the solution. So, simple interest or I yung unknown natin. So, to solve for the simple interest is we have here I is equal to PRT. Tama? Now, anong next is, okay, we need to substitute all the given in our formula. So, we have here 12,400 times 0.06 times 1.083. Take note ha? Hindi dapat natin i-eliminate or ipuputol yung decimal. So, dito lang sa ating formula, sa pagsulat natin, na 3 decimal place na siya. Pero sa cycle, dapat lahat ng decimal places natin is i-input natin para accurate yung makuha natin. Okay? Now, to perform the operations, so we have here 806. So, meaning to say, the interest Mary that will earn after 13 months with an investment na 12,400 pesos and an interest rate na 6%, ang makukuha niya lang is 806 pesos. Okay? So, that is the interest. Yan yung tubo ng pera niya. Klaro ba? Any question here, clarification before we proceed? Okay, none so far? Sige, let's proceed to our 5th example. Okay, anyone who can read our problem? Okay, thank you. Sige, what is asking our problem? Yes, Tomas. Okay, how many days did it take for Miss Uy to repay the loan? So, days. How many days daw kailangan kailanganin ni Miss Uy, no? Para mabayaran niya yung utang niya. Ba't kasi ka umuutang? At saka malaki masyado na 80,000 pesos. Charis. So, ayan na. Sige. So, that is the unknown, no? The days or yung time ang unknown natin dito. Now, what are the given? Anyone? Yes? Alas? Okay, very good. Our given here, we have the principal, 80,000 pesos. The rate na 9%. And then, the interest na 5,400. Ma'am, bakit may subscript? Take note, ordinary interest daw siya. Iba siya sa previous problem natin kanina na interest lang yung nabanggit. Dito, meron siyang specific na ordinary interest siya. So, that's why we will use this notation na I sub O. That will state that this is ordinary interest. Okay? Sige. Now, how can we solve for time? Yes? Yes, Mo? Okay. So, to solve for time, we have the formula na I sub O over PR. So, after natin pili yung formula, no? We need to substitute all the given in our formula and perform the operation, and this will give us 0.75 years. So, take note, no? If we solve for the interest, mapa-exact or ordinary interest man siya or simple interest, kapag unknown yung time, ang ibibigay sa atin yan is always in years na unit. Okay? Always years. So, that's why years yung nandito. But, in our problem, days siya. Klaro? So, how can we convert 0.75 years into days? Take note, this is ordinary interest. How many days kapag ordinary interest? Okay, that is 360 days. Very good. Now, here's the recap, no? If we want to convert months, before tayo natin isolve to months to years, all we need to do is to divide the given months by 12 months. Okay? Para ma-convert natin yan siya into years. Okay, sorry. And this will give us years. Okay? Now here, if we want to convert years to days, sa ilang days sa ordinary interest, that is 360. All we need to do is to multiply years by the number of days. So here, 0.75 years times 360 days. Since 360 days sa ordinary, and i-multiply natin yan siya, that will give us 270 days. Okay? So, years to days, we need to multiply. Multiply years by days. Depende itong days na to if ordinary or exact. Okay? So, in this problem, Miss Oy will take 270 days to repay the loan. Claro? Any question? Clarification? Okay. Sige, let's have here the next example. Anyone who can read our problem? Yes, Tanayo? Okay, what is asking the problem, Mr. Taneo? How much did he borrow? So, ano ba yan siya? What is itong borrowed? The amount that you borrowed. Okay, tama. Thank you, Mr. Taneo. So, amount borrowed is the principal. So, principal yung unknown natin dito. Now, what are the given? Yes, Jao? Okay, very good. So the given here is we have the exact interest. So take note ha, exact interest man daw. So that's why we have here the notation ng I sub E. And the exact interest, the tubo, no, is 1,200. The rate now 8% and the time now 146 days. Okay. Kanina, yung sa problem, no, yung about kay Miss Uy, years to days yung pag-convert natin and i-multiply natin siya. Tama? Kapag months to year, divide. Pag days to years, divide then. Okay? So, take note, exact interest siya. So, ilang days sa exact interest? That is 365 days. So, that's why we divide 146 days by 365 days. And 146 divided 365, that is equal to 2/5 years or 0.4 years. Klaro? Nasundan? Sige. Now, to solve for the principal, anong gagamitin natin na formula dito? Yes, RG? Okay, very good. So, we will just simply use principal is equal to I sub E over RT, or that is 1,200 divided by 0.08 times 2/5, and that will give us 37,500. So, meaning to say, Mr. Sandoval borrowed 37,500 pesos. Grabe, ang laking amount yan. Kayo ha, huwag kayo basta-basta mag-utang. Okay? So, yan siya. Any question? Tara ba? Nasundan? Sige, kindly give a heart reaction if you have understand our example. Okay, thank you. Sige. So, before tayo proceed, no, let's have a roll call muna. If okay pa ka ba? O if nandyan pa ba kayo? Okay. Very good. Nandyan pa. Kaya pa? Okay. Sige. Now, I have here prepared an activity that you need to do. So, here's our activity 2. What's my interest? So, direction, answer the following, identify the given, and show your solution. Round off your answer to 2 decimal places. So, sa final answer nyo ha, if mayroong decimals, round off yung answer nyo to 2 decimal places. Okay? And saan ito isusulat? Sa 1 whole yellow paper. Kailan isa-submit? Ngayong araw din mismo. Before 11:59 p.m. Okay? I will just send a link, okay, yung Google form, kung saan doon nyo i-fill out or doon nyo isa-submit yung mga sagot ninyo. Okay? Tara ba? Any question? Show your solution ha. Identify the given, then show your solution. So, here's the questions. So, kindly screenshot. I'll give you time to screenshot the problem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, once again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, klaro ba? 1 whole yellow paper. Submit ngayong araw. Okay? Sige. So, to sum up, suppose we apply this concept in real life, how will this be useful? Anyone? Paano ba ito maging useful, itong concept natin na natutunan ngayong araw? Yes, alas? Wow. Sige, thank you. Okay, any other hand? Okay, yes, RG? Okay. Thank you, everyone. So, lastly, agree or disagree? You don't have to be rich to always have enough money. Are you agree or disagree? For those who agree, kindly give heart reaction. Okay, marami akong nakita nag-heart. Okay, for those who disagree, kindly give laughing reaction. Okay. So, yan, no? Ako, ma'am? Ako? So, actually, no, you don't have to be rich to always have enough money. Tama naman, I agree. Okay? Lalo na if you know how to budget well your money or how you manage your money. And lalo na if you know how to save your money. Hindi yung one day millionaire ka lang. No? Dapat wise ka tayo ngayon sa panahon na to. Lalo na the prices of our goods is rising, no? Merong inflation, kumbaga, yung tinatawag natin. So, that's why, save as possible, no? So, here's another assignment. So, later, no, or the next meeting na magkikita tayo, face to face, I want you to write your answer in your notebook. Ano ang ibig sabihin or what is maturity value and how it can be computed. Yes, related dito siya sa ating lesson. So, do this, okay? If walang assignment, walang points. Okay? Sige. Yun lang. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope you have learned something today. So, kindly everyone give a heart reaction or any reaction that you like, no? Kasi tapos na tayo. Okay, so remind yung ating assignment. Okay? At saka yung activity na kailangan i-submit ngayon. Sige. Any question or clarification before we end? Yes, I will post itong ating PPT in our Teams. Okay? Okay, sige. Since there's no questions, there's no further question. So, before you exit, let me request everyone to open their cameras, no? Para makita ko kung nakikinig pa kayo and para magkaroon tayo ng documentary or documentation, no? Na may klase tayo ngayon or nagklase tayo ngayon. Sige. Okay. Give me your best smile. Okay. 10. Okay. Let me screenshot this one. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay. Okay, so that's it everyone. Thank you for listening. Have a good day and stay safe always. God bless all.